Art3d 36 rolls packing tape. Clear carton sealing tape is designed for masking edges and protecting nearby surfaces during paint or finishing work. Check whether its configuration fits that job. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing states, 36 rolls of refill package tapes, each roll with a length of 55 yards x width of 1.88 inches. This matters most when evaluating controlled application on the listed surfaces. It also states, suitable for sealing or packing moving boxes, with good adhesion. Use that detail to judge removal timing and surface preparation, rather than treating the feature list as proof of performance. For everyday ownership, store the rolls clean and dry, and test delicate finishes first. Before ordering, confirm dimensions, included parts, power, and compatibility. The main limitation is that adhesion and clean removal depend on the surface, preparation, and how long the tape remains in place. People working on an unsupported or delicate finish should choose a tape rated for that exact surface. Overall, Art3d 36 rolls packing tape, clear carton sealing tape best fits shoppers focused on masking edges and protecting nearby surfaces during paint or finishing work whose setup matches the supported facts.